Hello, today I'm going to show you how to unfollow button on your Facebook account or Facebook profile, which is pretty simple. I will be using my PC, but the formula is the same on mobile devices. On the right side of your screen, you'll be able to see a menu drop down or a menu bar. Click on it. Then you'll be able to see settings and privacy. Open them. Then go to settings. Open public posts. Now edit who can follow me and replace it with public, and you are done. Now you'll be able to see the follow button will have appeared on your Facebook profile like that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.